Hello there friends, this is Sam from fightforex.info. I'm very excited to bring this video to you to explain three different ways you can read your mt4 or mt5 trading history data and use it in the FX report software. The first option is to use a specially designed EA, which is an expert advisor. In this option, we develop an expert advisor to meet your requirements. We also have an already developed expert advisor if you want to use it. If it works as is, then it is available to you at no additional cost. It comes with the software. But if you use the EA and you realize that, oh, we need some additional features or we need some additional data to be transmitted, then you can pay us for a one-time development cost, and we can then make those changes and give you the EA to use. At the end of the day, once you have this EA, you take it and set it up on each mt4 or mt5 account on a VPS. And then the EA runs continuously at a predefined frequency like a 1 minute, 5 minutes, you can even go down to like 10 seconds, 20 seconds. And it keeps sending the trading history data to your website. Then it takes this data and shows on the dashboard, which is what the FX report software does for you. Depending on how you set up the VPS and how you go about doing this, you will have to spend additional money on the VPS cost. Typically, one VPS can host up to, let's say, 10 accounts, and it can cost anywhere from 20 to 50 US dollars per month, depending on which service you use. However, we can also do this for you, and we will charge you a per account per month fee, which is in the range of $8. And depending on your volume, we can discuss volume discounts as well. But in that option, what we do is we develop the EA and we run it on the VPS for you. So renting the VPS, setting up the EA, doing weekend maintenance, this and that, all that work we do for you as an outsourced service, and we charge you a per account per month fee. This is typically charged for active accounts only, meaning that if you delete an account or if the account is not active anymore, then you don't need to pay us to maintain the EA, because in that case we can remove the EA and use that instance for some other account. So this is option number one. Option number two is use our MT Connect API service. In this option, you subscribe to our proprietary API service called as MT Connect. This service all the hard work behind the scenes. It reads the mt4 data or mt5 data from the trade server and then sends it to the site where FX report software is running. You don't need to worry about renting a VPS or setting up the EAs or anything like that. The API does all that heavy lifting for you. And this is a subscription-based model, so you pay $0.01, which is 1 cent, for every successful read of the account history. Again, we do have volume discounts. If you have a high volume, we can negotiate and come up with a common figure that we can use. In this option, we run the API service for you. The API service keeps running the whole month, and at the end of the month, depending on how much you have used, we charge you multiplied by the rate. So for example, if you use the service 1,000 times and the rate agreed is $0.01 per successful read, you owe us $10 for that month. FX report software is built to readily integrate with this service. So once you buy the software, you don't need to do anything extra to integrate it with the software. However, this service is also available as an independent API service. So if you want to use it for some other projects, you can do that as well. Option 3 is most recommended, but at the same time, it's the most expensive option. In this option, what happens is you get manager access to your traders' accounts. Now, how do you get manager access? I get that question very often from my potential customers. So you can get it if you, of course, if you have your own brokerage, or if you have a white label solution from a brokerage, or if you are an introducing broker status, or MAMM or PM accounts with any of the broker. Every broker treats all these relationships differently. So you will have to negotiate and work with them one-on-one basis and see what's the best you can do. Once you have this, you can easily and efficiently read the trading history data. FX report software in that case doesn't need the EA, doesn't need the VPS, doesn't need the API. Nothing is required because you are in full control of the accounts, and hence this is the most powerful and has the most flexibility in terms of features. So here you can not only read history, you can create trades, you can close trades, you can make accounts read only, you can do a lot of stuff. But however, as I said earlier, this is the most cost expensive option, and the cost can go into thousands a month. Again, broker by broker, there is a separate deal. If you need any help with this also, we can provide you with customized manager access, as we work with many brokerages closely ourselves. So these are the three options. If you have any more questions, contact us at our site fightforex.info. Please subscribe or like the video so we can reach more people, and good luck with all your projects. Thank you and have a great day.